Tonight's Laser Daddy Night Show is brought to you exclusively and completely and totally by Two Dogs Hot Sauce. Bigger heat, bigger flavor. The future sauce, I hear, is on a whole other level. So let's do it. Hottest of hots. It's Two Dogs Hot Sauce Premier Spicy Selection. We're going to do a lot. It's thick. Oh, you see the drips. Here we go. Wow! All right, the spice is hitting me hard. Full mouth spice. Delicious flavor, but it's lighting my whole face up. This is making me salivate. Wow! Wow.